Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to resize in Canva. So let's get started. Begin by signing into your Canva account and opening the design project that contains the images or elements you want to resize. Now select the image or elements. Click and drag the corners of the selected photo to resize it. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to maintain the original aspect ratio. Once you have resized the photo to your satisfaction, click on download to save the resized photo to your computer. Okay, that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.